Hi, I'm Brad Keller, Product Consultant for Doc2Help. Join me as I continue our Doc2Help video tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how Doc2Help makes it very easy to create different outputs with custom content from the same project. Doc2Help is a single-source authoring and publishing tool that allows you to create multiple outputs from a single project. You can assign specific content to specific outputs using a feature called Conditional Text. Doc2Help includes a toolbar that will help you add these elements in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at creating and applying conditions. By the way, this works the same if you're using Doc2Help's built-in editor. We will start with a project that has one simple Word document. To edit the content of a Word source project, double-click the document in the Documents pane, and it will open up in Word. Doc2Help gives you all the tools you need right in the Word document. You can see them here on the Doc2Help toolbar. There are buttons on the toolbar for all the special features you'd want to add to your project. But for this lesson, we'll focus on the Conditional Text button. Before we create a custom condition, which Doc2Help calls attributes, let's take a look at the conditions that are included with Doc2Help. If I select the first paragraph of the document and click the Conditional Text button on the Doc2Help ribbon, the Conditional Text dialog will appear. From here, I can click on the Platforms and Targets drop-downs to show all the different options I have for delivering custom content to different platforms. Conditional text works like any condition. It's an if-then statement. If I check the box next to NetHelp, then the content I've selected will only appear in NetHelp targets, but will not appear in any other targets I build. Now that we're familiar with conditional text, let's create a custom condition, also known as an attribute now. To create an attribute, I'd go into Doc2Help and select the Project tab, then click the Attributes button. Doc2Help includes one attribute called Build already. If I mark text as internal or external, I can create special versions of my targets for those audiences. I could add notes and reminders within my documents, mark it as an internal, and still build targets for outside audiences with no extra effort. For this project, I have two audiences, one that uses Microsoft Outlook and one that uses Google Gmail. Since I don't want to create a project for each audience, I can use conditions to show the Gmail instructions to the Gmail users and the Outlook instructions to the Outlook users. I click the Add New Attribute button and name my new attribute Email System. I'll set the values to Microsoft Outlook and Google Gmail. Click the Add New Value button to create the Gmail option. All I need to do is double-click on any attribute or value to rename it. I click OK, and we have our attribute. Now all I need to do is apply them, create targets, and build. I go back into Word and select all of the information about setting automatic replies in Outlook. The title, all the text, the graphics, everything. And apply the Microsoft Outlook value. When I click OK, this information is marked with a comment. I have a record of what I've done, and this also makes it easy to remove the attribute. Just select the comment box and delete it. Next, I apply the Google Gmail value to the Gmail information. Save and close the document and go into Doc2Help for the finishing touches. I need to create two NetHelp targets, one that includes the Microsoft Outlook attribute and one that includes the Google Gmail attribute. I need to launch the Help Targets dialog box and click the Add New Target button. You can choose any target from the drop-down, but we're interested in NetHelp. In the Add New Target dialog box, I name our new target NetHelp for Outlook users. Now, I can assign the attribute to the new target. Choose the Attributes drop-down and click the Microsoft Outlook checkbox. I go through the same process to create another target named NetHelp for Gmail users and assign the Google Gmail attribute to it. Our two new targets are in the list and have attributes assigned to them. From here, I'm ready to select each target and build. The Gmail target will look like this. Nothing about Outlook in the Gmail target. Nothing about Gmail in the Outlook target. I'm Brad Keller. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Component 1.